Imagine standing on the Florida coast, feeling the cool breeze and watching the waves gently lap against the shore. The air crackles with anticipation as a crowd gathers, their eyes fixed on the sky, waiting for the moment of liftoff. A colossal rocket, the Falcon 9, stands tall, poised for launch. Its sleek design and towering presence command attention. With a deafening roar and a surge of fire, it ascends, piercing the sky and leaving a trail of smoke in its wake. But this is no ordinary rocket launch. This event marks a significant milestone in the history of space exploration. Minutes later, the first stage booster, having completed its task, flips around and begins its descent back to Earth. It navigates back to Earth, guided by sophisticated technology and precision engineering, showcasing the advancements in modern rocketry. Then, with a gentle touchdown, it lands upright on a designated pad, a feat once thought impossible. This is the future of space travel, and it's happening now. The era of reusable rockets has begun. SpaceX, a private company founded by Elon Musk, is revolutionizing space exploration with its innovative and reusable rockets. For decades, rockets were expendable, used only once before burning up in the atmosphere or crashing into the ocean, a costly and wasteful process. This traditional approach was incredibly expensive and wasteful, limiting the potential for frequent space missions. SpaceX is changing the game by developing rockets capable of launching payloads into space and returning safely to Earth for reuse, drastically reducing costs and increasing the frequency of missions. The Falcon 9 is a two-stage rocket, a true marvel of modern engineering. It is specifically designed to transport satellites and spacecraft into orbit, making space more accessible. The first stage of the Falcon 9, which is the most powerful and expensive part, is responsible for propelling the rocket through the Earth's atmosphere with immense force. Traditionally, this stage would be discarded after launch, its purpose served, and it would fall back to Earth, becoming space debris. However, SpaceX has revolutionized this process by engineering the Falcon 9 to be reusable, a groundbreaking achievement in space technology. The Falcon 9's first stage is equipped with advanced technology that allows it to control its descent and land vertically. This includes powerful engines that reignite for landing, grid fins for precise steering, and landing legs that deploy just before touchdown to ensure a safe and stable landing. The booster can even adjust its trajectory mid-flight to compensate for wind and other atmospheric conditions, ensuring it lands accurately. This remarkable feat of engineering has significantly reduced the cost of space travel, making it more sustainable and opening up new possibilities for exploration and innovation. The technology behind reusable rockets is complex and impressive. It relies on a delicate interplay of physics, engineering, and computer science. One of the key challenges is controlling the rocket's descent through the Earth's atmosphere. As the rocket re-enters, it encounters immense heat and pressure due to friction with the air. To withstand these extreme conditions, the Falcon 9 is equipped with a heat shield made of superheated ablative material. This shield gradually burns away during re-entry, carrying away heat and protecting the rocket's structure. Additionally, the rocket's engines are reignited during descent, providing controlled thrust to slow it down and guide it to a safe landing. Reusable rockets are a game changer when it comes to the economics of space travel. Traditionally, the high cost of launching payloads into space has been a major barrier to exploration and scientific discovery. By reusing the most expensive part of the rocket, SpaceX has drastically reduced the cost per launch. This affordability has opened up new possibilities for space exploration, making it accessible to more players, including governments, private companies, and research institutions. With lower launch costs, we can expect to see an increase in the number of satellites launched for communication, Earth observation, and scientific research. This will lead to advancements in various fields, from telecommunications to climate science. Beyond the economic benefits, reusable rockets also offer a more sustainable approach to space exploration. By reusing rockets, we significantly reduce the need for manufacturing new ones, which in turn lowers the consumption of raw materials and energy. This not only makes space travel more cost-effective, but also minimizes the environmental footprint associated with rocket production. The traditional practice of discarding rocket stages after each launch contributes to space debris, posing a potential hazard to other spacecraft and satellites. Space debris can collide with operational satellites, causing damage and potentially leading to the loss of valuable data and communication services. This growing cloud of debris around our planet is a pressing issue that needs to be addressed. By recovering and reusing these stages, SpaceX is helping to mitigate the problem of space junk. This innovative approach not only preserves the functionality of our orbital environment, but also sets a precedent for future space missions. The successful recovery and reuse of rocket stages demonstrate the feasibility and benefits of sustainable space travel. Furthermore, the Falcon 9 uses liquid oxygen and rocket-grade kerosene, known as RP-1, as fuel, which are considered relatively clean-burning propellants compared to some older rocket fuels. This choice of fuel helps to reduce the emission of harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, making each launch more environmentally friendly. While RP-1 is a fossil fuel, SpaceX is actively developing its next-generation Starship, designed to be fully reusable and powered by methane, a fuel that can be produced on Mars, further reducing our reliance on Earth-based resources for space travel. This forward-thinking approach not only aims to make interplanetary travel more sustainable, but also paves the way for human colonization of other planets, ensuring a long-term future for humanity in space. SpaceX's ambitions extend far beyond Earth orbit. The company's ultimate goal is to make humanity a multiplanetary species, with Mars as the first stepping stone. Elon Musk envisions a future where humans can live and work on Mars, establishing a self-sustaining colony. To achieve this ambitious goal, SpaceX is developing the Starship program. Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel. It will be capable of carrying up to 100 people and a significant amount of cargo to Mars and other destinations in our solar system. The Starship program represents a major leap forward in space exploration, potentially paving the way for human colonization of other planets. Starship is not just a larger rocket, it's a fundamentally different approach to space travel. Unlike traditional spacecraft, which are designed for single use and limited cargo capacity, Starship is envisioned as a fully reusable transportation system. Imagine a future where traveling to Mars is as routine as taking an international flight. Starship will be powered by Raptor engines, which use liquid methane and liquid oxygen as propellants. Methane is a particularly attractive fuel for Mars missions because it can be produced on the red planet using resources found in the Martian atmosphere and soil. This eliminates the need to transport all the fuel from Earth, significantly reducing the cost and complexity of Mars missions. While the advancements made by SpaceX are undeniably impressive, the journey to Mars and beyond is fraught with challenges. Developing a spacecraft capable of safely transporting humans to another planet and back is an incredibly complex undertaking. The Martian environment is harsh and unforgiving, with a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and high levels of radiation. Overcoming these challenges will require cutting-edge technology, rigorous testing, and a deep understanding of human physiology and psychology. SpaceX is well aware of these challenges and is investing heavily in research and development to address them. SpaceX's achievements are not just about technological advancements. They are also about inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. The company's bold vision and willingness to push the boundaries of what's possible have captured the imagination of people around the world. By making space exploration more accessible and exciting, SpaceX is igniting a passion for science and technology in young minds. This renewed interest in STEM fields is crucial for driving innovation and solving some of the world's most pressing challenges. The future of space travel is brimming with possibilities. With reusable rockets like the Falcon 9 and ambitious projects like Starship, we are entering a new era of exploration. Space tourism is becoming increasingly viable, offering adventurous individuals the opportunity to experience the wonders of space firsthand. Beyond tourism, the commercialization of space is opening up new frontiers for research, manufacturing, and resource extraction. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, we can expect to make groundbreaking discoveries that will benefit humanity for generations to come. SpaceX's pioneering work in reusable rockets is not just about advancing technology, it's about securing humanity's future. As we face challenges on Earth such as climate change and resource depletion, it's essential to look beyond our planet for solutions and opportunities. Space exploration fosters innovation, inspires new technologies, and reminds us of our place in the vast universe. By venturing into the cosmos, we expand our knowledge, challenge our limits, and ensure the survival of our species. The stars are calling, and thanks to companies like SpaceX, we are answering the call.